Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, 2024, and we're looking to go down with QQQ.
Order fill.
Inverted H, inverted H. Inverted H wide state, inverted H. Inverted H wide state, inverted H. If the price doesn't explode past the point of control, which is roughly around our dollar marker right here, we're just going to pull profits. Another thing I want to point out about entry is you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes to decide on whether you wanted to go down with this market, which was plenty of time to make that decision. And here's the area of retrace. We came down, we're pulling back. I expect this to come back down to the same level, if not farther, and hit our dollar target. As you can see, that price is struggling to get to the $499.50 area. So here in another minute or two max, if the price doesn't drop fast towards that area, we're going to close out with profits. Or if the price does drop very quickly into that area, we're going to close out because there is a high probability that we might hit that area, bounce off of it, go back up for a while, and then maybe revisit this area. But we're looking to hit our dollar target here soon.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order fill.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $1 drop on QQQ today.